Experiment to test the presence of starch in leaf. Objectives. By the end of this video, children are able to know about starch is present in the leaf, methylated spirit removes chlorophyll, iodine turns starch into blue-black color. Now that leaves of plants produces glucose through photosynthesis. The excess of glucose is then converted into starch, which is reserved food materials in plants. Let us do a small experiment to prove that the presence of starch in leaf. Experiment to test the presence of starch in leaf. Aim of this experiment is to test the presence of starch in a leaf. We know that what a leaf performs photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, the leaf prepares glucose. The glucose is the end product of photosynthesis, and glucose will be stored in the form of starch. When we find the glucose in the form of starch, that means the leaf has performed photosynthesis. So, in this experiment, we are going to learn how can a leaf whether performed photosynthesis or not. If there is starch, the leaf performed photosynthesis, and if there is no starch, the leaf did not perform photosynthesis. Apparatus required: Bunsen burner, tripod stand, beaker with half filled water, test tube, forceps, petri dish, a green leaf, methylated spirit, iodine solution, and asbestos gauge. Procedure: take a leaf which is well exposed to sunlight. Place the leaf in a half-watered beaker and flame it under the spirit lamp. By boiling the leaf, we can easily break down the cell membrane and it is more permeability to iodine solution. Now, boil the leaf in the methylated spirit over a water bath till it becomes pale white color. Due to the removal of chlorophyll, the leaf appears as pale white color. By removing chlorophyll, we can easily observe the changing of color while conducting the test of iodine. After removing the chlorophyll, place the leaf in a petri dish. Add a few drops of iodine solution or betadine solution on the leaf and observe the changes. Observation: the leaf turns into blue-black color. It indicates that the presence of starch in leaf.